let's turn. Okay, so this is going pretty good. Alright. So, why are we going backwards? Why are we going backwards? No! Oh my god,
what happened? Oh my god,
I just got something. I think I just hit the house. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh. It's gonna kill me.
Oh my god, holy pieces fell off.
Oh my god, it fell.
It hit right at the rock. What did you do?
Oh, it broke the
I
rock.
don't know how to drive these.
I did. It just started going backwards.
Did you put it
Oh
reverse?
my. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's gonna kill me. Oh, that's gonna kill me.
Look, there's pieces of the rock down here.
It's
And there's pieces of the rock over there.
broke the
Oh my
house.
God. I'm gonna
bit?
go.
No, you stay here.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, huge. Look at that. It like cracked it.
Oh my god. They're gonna kill us.
Like cracked it, and there's a huge gap.
Holy ass.
Shit. This is insane, guys.
How are we gonna hide this from them? They're obviously gonna know.
Shit.
Put it back. They're gonna know.
Oh,
What are we gonna do?
I think we can take it to like a body workshop.
No,
or
we
maybe
have-
duct tape.
Duct tape? Are you stupid? No, we have to tell mom and dad.
No, don't. What would you say? Don't. No. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. Why the would you tell them? Why?
It's the only way.
No, don't. Oh my gosh, she's gonna tell them. No.
Dad!
No. Don't say no.
What?
The other person!
Hey, no, stop.
The
Leave
other
what?
person vanished inside of the house!
What? The van? The what? You did what to the van? Give me my phone. What'd you do?
She crashed and vanished inside of the house!
The minivan?
Yeah!
My van?
What?
Yeah, it's all destroyed!
What?
And it destroyed
Is that what that loud
phone?
thump was? Get out of the way. Gotta be kidding me. Where's the van? What happened?
Lisa crashed it!
Are you kidding me? Oh my god! What the? You drove it into the house?
Not on
You
purpose.
backed it up into the house?
I was trying to go to the movies to see Rice's
Why were you going to the movie? What the hell were you doing in my van?
Well, I was trying to drive. It's mom's van.
It doesn't matter whose van it is. You're too young and you
Well, I
backed
just
it into
wanted-
the house.
I didn't
Holy
want-
cow!
Jack it up.
You busted our bumper.
Luma's gonna fix it with duct tape.
Duct tape?
Yeah, he's stupid.
Get inside the house. You're grounded right now.
No.
Get inside the house.
It's just a minor.
You don't ever jump. No. You backed the van into the house. You backed our van into the house.
Well, I
Is the house? Look out. Look out.
It kind of broke that right here.
Yeah, there's parts of the rock right here in the
Look out. I'm going to move the van. Here, hold my phone.
Am I,
Hold
what?
my phone. Look out.
Dude, don't do that. I fucking... You've done this many times before. You should have experience. You have experience. Like,
The rock is broken too. I broke.
look at the
Down to the
rock.
house. Look out.
Yeah, I broke it a bit.
Chip the walk. Oh God, look at the bumper. Oh my God, Leland.
Mom's gonna kill us.
Mommy's gonna.
But,
A little fender bender crashed into the house.
well, the house is so destroyed over here. The house is fine, but the van is ruined.
What were you guys doing in my van?
It's still drivable.
It doesn't matter. You damaged the van.
It doesn't...
You.
I'm just gonna...
No, you get to your bedroom right now. No, you guys get back over here. Both of you guys. They backed the van into the house. Causing thousands of dollars in damage, probably. I don't even have words to express how I'm feeling right now. This is... I'm so pissed right now.
So, They ran into our house?
They backed your van. They got in your van. They pulled out of the garage.
Why are they getting in the van?
And they reversed it somehow. They drove it into the house. And your rear bumper's damaged.
My car.
Yeah. No, they're grounded. They're grounded. They're grounded.
My new house.
Luckily, there's not much damage to the house. They might have chipped the walk a little bit, but the real damage is the bumper to your van. I'm